Welcome to our discussion on a potentially game-changing discovery in the fight against Alzheimer's disease. It's like scientists are now exploring the idea that Alzheimer's might actually be the product of an infection rather than just aging.
Wow, that's really intriguing. So instead of just a neurodegenerative process, we're possibly looking at an infection.
Mm, exactly. It's like, a whole new perspective. Research from 2019 uncovered that Porphyromonas gingivalis, the bacteria behind gum disease, was found in the brains of Alzheimer's patients.
Right. So gum disease might actually be like more sinister than we ever thought. This bacteria actually gets into the brain. That's wild.
Yeah, and there's more. Experiments with mice showed that when these mice were orally infected, the bacteria colonized their brains, leading to an increase in amyloid beta, which we all know is linked to Alzheimer's.
Yeah. I mean, that certainly shifts the paradigm. But can we say for sure that the bacteria cause Alzheimer's? Or could it be just a correlation?
That's a good question, and it's valid to be skeptical. However, researchers also identified toxic enzymes called gingipains in the brains, not only in diagnosed Alzheimer's cases, but even in people who were never diagnosed. It suggests that brain infection might be an early event, not just a result of neurodegeneration.
Hmm. Interesting. So it points to the idea that gum disease may be a driving force early on, potentially sparking the pathologic changes long before cognitive symptoms appear.
Exactly. It's like imagine a hidden saboteur at work in your mouth that later wreaks havoc in your brain. And if we can interrupt this process early, that could be revolutionary.
Speaking of interruption, there's this compound, Core 388, right? I read that it's showing promise in mice by reducing the bacterial load in the brain.
Yes, true. Core 388, developed by Cortexime, reduced not only the bacteria, but also brought down amyloid beta production and even curtailed neuroinflammation. It's an optimistic signal after years without new dementia treatments.
Right. That's really appealing. But don't you think there's a challenge in translating these mouse results directly to humans? The gap can be quite large in biomedical research.
Absolutely, you're right. It's not a slam dunk yet. More research is needed before we can fully embrace this approach. But the potential to redefine how we approach Alzheimer's by tackling gum disease as a cause rather than a consequence is certainly exciting.
Yeah, it really is a compelling shift, making us rethink even daily hygiene habits in the context of brain health. This connection could spark a whole new era in preventive care.
Definitely, it's a bold reminder of how interconnected our health really is. If further studies back these findings, we might be on the cusp of a groundbreaking new strategy to prevent or delay Alzheimer's.
Mhm. I'm looking forward to seeing where this leads us. It's a fascinating topic with a lot of hopeful implications. Thanks for diving into it.
Thank you too. Stay tuned as we watch this research evolve and um, reshape our approach to one of the toughest challenges in brain health. Catch you next time.